Hey guys, it's Angelynn here. So as you can tell by the title, I am back. It has been almost 4 years since I have last posted a YouTube video, so my comeback has been long awaited, I know. I felt that it was only fitting for my first video for me to kind of update you guys on what I've been up to in the time I've been gone and touch on why I left YouTube in the first place and what I plan on doing now that I'm back. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I am probably gonna end up talking for quite a while, so I hope you have a moment to listen to everything I have to say. And yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, why did I stop posting videos? This is a question that does not have a completely, I guess, like concise answer. It's kind of complicated. When I stopped posting videos, I never actually planned on stopping posting videos. Otherwise, I would have given you guys a heads up for sure. I had posted my last video and then filmed, I think, 1 or 2 more other videos to post, and I didn't like how they came out, so I didn't end up posting them and didn't end up just filming any other videos after that. So that is kind of like the technicalities of what happened, but really like behind the scenes what happened is a little more complicated. I, for a while, had been struggling with my passion for YouTube. I know a lot of you guys have been around since the very beginning when I was posting rainbow loom videos, and towards the end, before I stopped posting videos, I was posting a lot of other craft related videos that were not rainbow loom, and I knew this would not be liked by every single person, but the feedback I received was a little harsher than I had imagined, and it was really hard for me to navigate that. On my videos of other craft tutorials that I was just so excited to share, I got a lot of comments that were just like, where's the next rainbow loom video? Why aren't you posting rainbow loom anymore? I felt like I could not leave my past behind, like it was just something I was dragging with me, and I felt like it was holding me back from being able to really enjoy everything that I was doing on YouTube. And I just felt like I was constantly having to repeat and defend myself as to why I wasn't posting rainbow loom videos anymore. I know that not all these comments were coming like and attacking me, but it was just a little hurtful and discouraging to me when I put out something I was really excited about and people are commenting like, okay, but where's the rainbow loom video? I know YouTube was like a huge numbers thing for me towards the end. The numbers were like a reflection of how satisfied people were with my videos, and during that battle of whether I should be posting rainbow loom or what I really want to post, I paid a lot of attention to the numbers, and I think that is a huge source of why I was not completely happy with what I was doing. I never started my YouTube channel because of numbers. I started because I posted rainbow loom creations on Instagram and got really great feedback and a lot of requests for tutorials, so it was just because I was excited to share my stuff with you guys, and I want to make sure that that is still my purpose, because I know how great it feels to be able to post stuff even if it doesn't get a lot of views. Just continuing to remind myself that, and that it's just about me being back and having fun with this and really enjoying my time here again. When I stopped posting YouTube videos, I was kind of in a transitional period of my life. I was going from high school to college, and a lot of things were changing for me. In college, I was really involved in my freshman and sophomore and a little bit of my junior year before COVID hit. I joined a sorority. I was pretty involved with my Asian Student Conference organization that was on campus, and I'm also a biology pre-med major with minors in chemistry and psychology. So my curriculum was definitely not easy, and I was pretty immersed in school for the last 3 to 4 years, so much so that thinking about my YouTube channel being able to fit into my schedule was just like not able to happen. Towards the beginning of college, I got a lot of questions about my YouTube channel from the new friends I was making, because obviously they found out about my channel, and it was kind of a touchy subject for me to talk about. It was hard for me to think about that I was not on YouTube anymore, because when I quit my YouTube channel, in a way I feel like I felt that I was failing my audience while also failing myself, because I could not for the life of me please both me and everybody who wanted rainbow loom. That just made it really tough. It was almost like shameful for me to talk about. More recently, I have really been missing YouTube. I have been watching more YouTube videos than normal, and just seeing other people being able to share like their lives and what they're up to on YouTube has made me want to come back. So this has been several months in the making, me planning on coming back, and I'm super excited that I'm finally here again. So now the big elephant in the room, will I be posting Rainbow Loom videos again? Given my last answer, you can probably guess, no, I will not be posting Rainbow Loom videos again. I really love Rainbow Loom. I think it is such a great, innovative product and so fun. I had so much fun during my Rainbow Loom days, but it's something I've kind of grown out of. I am 22 years old now, and Rainbow Loom was something that I was doing when I was 14 years old, so it's been a long time since I've been in that phase. So I hope you guys can understand why I won't be posting Rainbow Loom videos anymore. If you were just here for the Rainbow Loom videos, I'm so sorry. I've posted over, I think, 200 different tutorials on Rainbow Loom things. So hopefully that's enough for your Rainbow Loom addiction. This leads me into my next question, which is, what will I be posting now that I'm back? I think the best way to describe it is if you're on fashion TikTok, thrift TikTok, craft TikTok, that is probably the type of content that I'll be putting out. I really want to give myself room to be creative and put out different sorts of content for you guys. So I guess we'll just see where it takes me. If you guys have any video suggestions, leave me a comment below because I definitely need some. I have no idea what my next video is going to be. So I guess that wraps up everything that I wanted to touch on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and clicking on this video in the first place, especially if you made it all the way here to the end. Keep up with me on Instagram. I've been posting on there regularly since I posted my very last YouTube video, so I will still be posting regularly on there throughout my whole YouTube journey, and you'll be able to get a lot of updates on when videos are coming and what I'm up to and stuff. Like I said earlier, please comment. I would love to talk to you guys, and hit the like button for that dang algorithm. And yeah, I guess that is all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!